Hello again. Today we're taking a look at an old aerial that was presumably taken by William Preston Mayfield. And I've been getting rid of these little spots. The software provides like a salt and pepper filter, but it just blurs the rest of the image, and I want it to be as crisp as I can possibly make it. So just going in and getting rid of the scratches and determining whether there are scratches or not. I think this guy here is a bird, so the bird gets spared. But some interesting things going on here. I believe this is what they would do to preserve a sapling tree. But I've been getting rid of these little spots and coloring the roofs and spending a lot of time on this. Probably 15-20 hours into this. Central Avenue, Xenia Drive, and Grand Avenue, and of course Wright Avenue over here. This is the old Armstrong Mill, and here of course is the interurban where the crossing was on Xenia Drive. This is an 8x10. A little bit got cropped off. And there's people in this. There's some folks walking through the crosswalk, and they're kind of interesting. I believe this is some other folks. Just haven't had a chance to put a little color on them yet. Here's a couple more. And of course the infamous Model T. There's a few of them in the photo. Here's one parked diagonally. But yep, a lot of scratches to get rid of to preserve the history of Fairborn, Ohio. Hope you're liking my content. If you are, please subscribe, like this video, and of course share it. Really helps the algorithm. There's so many of these little spots. They're everywhere. It's a never-ending restoration. It goes on and on and on. Okay, that's enough for today. Thanks for tuning in.